Is Save Club a scam? All right. Is it just yuck? Does it give you the ick? All right. Are you going to waste your time if you join? And then in a week or so, you just feel like you're let down and this is just a cash grab. Guys, it's just not. You got to realize most scam videos are from broke asses that haven't even joined this great company, and they haven't even joined the company that they're promoting. Because here's a typical scam video. Guys, I looked into Save Club. It looks okay, but it looks like a cash grab and it's not going to work. But with my research, I found out that this company is the real deal. And they haven't even probably joined that company. Okay? Most scam videos are scams themselves. You've got to look at the person that says it is a scam and see, did they put in 1 to 2 weeks or even a month of good old-fashioned work and look behind the scenes, look behind the, go in the back office, check out the products, okay? And even try to do a video about promoting that, how they should. It's an opportunity to save money. Guys, Save Club. You save money from million to billion-dollar companies. Have you heard of Walmart? Have you heard of Lowe's? Have you heard of Burger King? Have you heard of Subway? All right. Have you heard of Lyft? All right. We have companies that are billion-dollar companies that are already doing business with us. Now, this is going to be worldwide. We're talking countries that are extremely strict. Okay? America always has a reputation of being, okay, I mean, we're strict, but kinda. Mexico, Canada, but you go into some of the European or Asian countries, you think they're strict on policies and conditions on in the way that online businesses conduct themselves? You bet your sweet ass. For us to be into China, Malaysia, Japan, the Philippines, you better have your SHI with a massive T together. Okay? When you join Save Club, it is $19.97. $20 minus 3 pennies. Is that a cash grab? Are we all going to go just to the beach and just go crazy on our yachts? No, but I'll tell you what, I'll go to the beach, and if there's a Subway, I'm going to save $3 to $5 on one of those stupid sandwiches while I'm sitting on the beach working on my tan. Okay? If I need a lift down to the beach, I'm going to save a couple bucks on my lift ride down there while I'm sitting on the beach eating a Subway sandwich working on my tan. Okay? I like to save money on things I'm already buying. All right? Save Club is designed to save you money. Sure, you pay $60 to be an affiliate. Do you have 3 $20 bills? Of course you do. Unless you're a tight ass. If you don't have $60, what the hell are you looking at a video for on owning your own business or earning while learning? You got 3 $20 bills. Let's just get that over with. You got one more? Yes, you do. $80 minus 3 pennies. $79.97. You have a membership for the month. You can check out all the savings. And if you don't like Save Club, then quit. Okay, you're out $19.97. All right? But if you're going to be an affiliate, then you got to get down and dirty, man, and have some fun. Make some content. Make a video. Share a video. Post about it. All you're going to do is just post a link and then have our founder, his name's Charles Moy, let him do everything else, please. Let him talk about the opportunity and the savings, and then you'll learn, hey, this is kind of a cool company. I like this, where I want to put my own endorsement. I am Cory Draper. Go to corydraper.com. You want to email me? Go to cory@corydraper.com. You want to Facebook me? Go to Facebook. I post 10, 20 times a day about my personal life and my businesses. I believe in Save Club. I've put the time and the energy into it. And guys, in only a couple weeks, I've already made a couple $1,000, and I've saved $700 on tires, car washes, a purple mattress, and a couple accidental Whoppers and a submarine sandwich thing at, I think it's called Subway, like I was talking about. Okay, so is it legit? You bet your sweet ass it is. All right. If anyone wants to do a live Zoom with me about why it's not legit, then get a hold of me. Okay, I'd love to, for 10 minutes, expose what a sham you are. Okay, but there ain't nobody that has joined Save Club saying it is a scam and not legit. This is a really good opportunity, guys. All right, in about 18, 19 days, it's going to be ready, set, go. The pre-launch is done. If you're watching me now, and today is May 12th, Mother's Day was yesterday, okay, of 2025. All right, so we have about 18 days left to just promote this as affiliates. Let's get downlines built, teams built. Let's sign up a couple, maybe friends and relatives, and then a couple people from your city, state, and countries that you probably don't even know how to produce or even know how to spell. Okay? Oh, man. I'm a big fan of this company. I'm a big fan of just spreading information in an easy way. And if I can sit here and say, go to ilovesaveclub.com, and you can go to this webpage, it's already built. Here's that video of our founder. Let Charles Moy do everything. If you don't want to do a video like I'm doing, please don't. Let Charles do it. He's a good dude. He's going to tell you all about the future. He does 2 to 3 live Zooms every single week. Fill out this information. Hit that orange button, okay? Then you're going to get an email. I want you to just read it every day. You'll get 1 email per day for 30 days from Save Club. Save every one of them because you learn a lot from them. And you can rewrite them and use them if you need to when you join as an affiliate. Okay? And if you want to join, open up the Save Club email, get yourself a username and a password after you click that little link that says join. All right? Username, password. You log in at saveclub.com. You're going to have a badass website. Okay, like this. Look, statistics. Look, every day I got web hits. That means all these clicks, 5, 4, 2, 3. I got hundreds of people just going through the pages to see if they want to join Save Club. Here, pre-enroll, look, I had 11 people, 6, 6, 1. Over the weekend, I had, let's see, it looks like I had 4 people sign up. Okay, and I was busy this weekend. This morning, today is Monday, like I said, one person's pre-enrolled. They're going to get a nice email. And when you pre-enroll, I'm going to email you too. Okay, and if you want to upgrade that little 0, I have no doubt that'll be a 2, 3, 4, or 5. I've already had people over the weekend confirm that on Monday, they'll have more time to sit down and join. Okay, so thank you. If you're one of these people right here, 6 people signed up, on Thursday, and then a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I've already got about 60, almost 70 people signed up. Guys, in just a couple weeks. This is no scam. This is the real deal. This is a real website, all right, with real businesses, okay? When I hit the My Deals, okay, look at this page. Let me move my face over here. You think Disneyland's a scam? You think they're going to do business with us if we don't have our poop together? You bet your sweet ass they're not. Universal Studios, Disneyland, Progressive Insurance, billion-dollar companies everywhere. Rose Farmers and Sherry's Berries. All right, if you forgot Mother's Day yesterday, then get some roses and chocolates and send it to your mom and say, Happy late Mother's Day. All right, HelloFresh, Vistaprint, the best. That's where I get my business cards. See these red business cards? $22 to my door, and I just hand these out on a street level. I never, ever talk about this on a street level, this business. It's a waste of time. It's better for you to go and listen to that little video of Charles Moy. And then if you want more information after watching the video, then get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. But that's Vistaprint. That's what the cards look like. Look at these businesses. You think Ford's $1 billion business? How about Burger King and Subway? All right. Do you guys like to rent a car at Alamo? How about Home Depot? One of my favorite stores of all time. $1 billion business from the get-go. 1-800-Flowers. Guys, there's thousands, tens of thousands. Eventually, there's going to be millions of businesses right in the back office of Save Club. All right, save some money. Guys, spend $19.97 a month to save $50 to $100 to $200 a month. For me to save $700 my first month, that freaks me the F out. That was so cool, man. Just go to the tour, okay? I want you to copy what I do. I just want you to get a business card so you don't feel like you have to over-explain this business. Get a domain name, ilovesaveclub.com. I got a GoDaddy for $12 and 17 pennies. Okay? Forward it to this page right here. You're going to have the same page, except instead of Cory Draper's website, put a business name or your name, and just have people watch this video, fill out this form right above my head, and click that little orange button above my head. And guys, just sit back, relax, do your research. If you think you're getting into a scam, if you think it's not legit, then go ahead and email me. But I'm telling you straight up, I've got a couple grand already made. I'm meeting people all over the world already. There's not a day that goes by that I don't get probably 10 or more questions from people all over the world that want to join, and they just want to know what is it? How many hours a day do I need to put into it? How much do I need to invest? It's like, guys, it's $19.97 a month, $60. You've got the, this page here. You got the beautiful website here. Okay. Statistics page. You got websites, everything you need. All right. For $79.97. All right. So is it a scam? No. If you watch scam videos, it's usually by people that are broke and have no idea what the hell they're talking about. But if you see a scam video and it's a positive one, then those people have joined. All right. They've put in some effort. They've looked behind the back office. They've promoted, and they probably have people joining, and they've made money. So if you see a scam video and then it's a positive ending saying, look, it's legit. I'm telling you, I have joined. I'm not embarrassed to wear a Save Good hat, a Save Good shirt, and I'm actually making my own because I don't know how long the company's going to take, but it's a good deal. If you're young, you need to look into this. If you have $80 minus 3 pennies, you need to get into this. But right now, the pre-launch is now. June 1st, it's ready, set, go, full throttle. And when you join these opportunities that have multiple pay, there's a matrix, there's a downline, he or she who joins, usually within the first 30 days, sometimes 45 to 60 days, they usually have a better chance of kicking massive ass financially. That's just my opinion. But you know what? You can put 10 to 15 to 50 other people that have made thousands, if not millions, in businesses like this online. They're going to tell you the first 30 days, it is massively important. You got to get in when the getting is good. It is fresh. It's yummy. It's delicious. Okay. And now I want breakfast. All right. So thanks for your time, guys. I'm a big fan of this company. I sure hope you give it a chance. It's just called Save Club. Do your research. And if you want to join, I hope you do in my team. Okay. I want to help you out as much as I can. I love saveclub.com. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I should have some videos popping up by my head right now. And you guys have a blessed day. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. Thanks again.